Hello, and welcome to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that one of the healthiest, crunchiest, most addictive salads you'll ever eat starts with food you usually throw away? Today, we're turning leftover rice into something completely unexpected. A crispy, Middle Eastern-inspired salad that's fresh, vibrant, and deeply satisfying. If you love simple, healthy food with a cinematic twist, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and cook along with me, because you really don't want to miss this one. This is crispy rice salad. Golden, crunchy rice, fresh herbs, bright lemon, warm and cool textures in every bite. It looks beautiful. It tastes even better. And it proves that healthy food doesn't have to be boring. Let's start with what you'll need. For the crispy rice, 300 grams cooked rice. That's about 10.5 ounces, completely cooled. 2 tablespoons olive oil, around 30 milliliters. A pinch of salt. A pinch of black pepper. For the salad, 150 grams cucumber diced, 5.3 ounces. 150 grams cherry tomatoes halved, 5.3 ounces. 40 grams red onion, very thinly sliced, 1.4 ounces. A large handful of fresh herbs, parsley, mint, and dill, about 25 grams total, or 0.9 ounces. For the lemon dressing, juice of 1 large lemon, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste. Optional but beautiful, ½ teaspoon sumac or ¼ teaspoon ground cumin. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cooked rice on a large baking tray. Break up any clumps gently with your hands. Drizzle the olive oil evenly over the rice. Add salt and black pepper. Mix well, making sure every grain is lightly coated. Spread the rice into a thin, even layer. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes, flipping once halfway through. You're looking for deep golden color and a dry, crunchy texture. When it's ready, let it cool slightly. This keeps the crunch perfect. While the rice bakes, prepare the vegetables. Dice the cucumber into small, clean cubes. Slice the tomatoes in half. Thinly slice the red onion. The thinner, the better. If the onion feels too sharp, let it sit in a little lemon juice for a few minutes. Finally, chop the herbs. This salad loves herbs, don't be shy. In a small bowl, whisk together lemon juice, olive oil, salt, black pepper. Add sumac for brightness or cumin for warmth. Taste it. It should feel fresh, zesty, and alive. In a large bowl, add the crispy rice first. Scatter the vegetables and herbs on top. Pour the dressing over everything, slowly. Gently toss, just until combined. You want crunch, freshness, and balance in every bite. Serve immediately, while the rice is still crisp. One serving contains approximately 320 calories, 9 grams protein, 10 grams fat, 48 grams carbohydrates. This salad is rich in vitamin C from lemon and tomatoes, antioxidants from fresh herbs, fiber for digestion, slow-release energy from rice. It supports gut health, keeps you full, and fits beautifully into a balanced lifestyle. This is a reminder that leftovers can be creative and exciting. If you enjoyed this film, subscribe to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen, hit the bell, and share it with someone who loves healthy food made beautiful. I'll see you in the next recipe.